Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an oil-free eggless mug cake which can be made in a saucepan. No oven or microwave needed and takes just under 15 minutes to make. Easy to make, single serving oil-free eggless cake for bachelors and for students. So let's get started. Into a 200 ml ceramic mug, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds. Add in 3 tablespoons water and mix it really well. This is the substitute for egg. Allow it to rest for about 2 minutes and after 2 minutes the flaxseed has thickened. Add in 1 tablespoon jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. I had some chocolate peanut butter, hence I'm using it. However, you can also use plain peanut butter. I have already shared how to make chocolate peanut butter and 100% natural peanut butter. Do check it out on my channel. Next, add in 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and 1/8 teaspoon baking powder. Add in 1/3 teaspoon cinnamon powder for an added flavor. However, you can skip cinnamon powder and use vanilla essence if you prefer vanilla flavor. Add in 2.5 tablespoon whole wheat flour. I'm using kapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat. It's an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule. Do check my videos on kapli wheat to understand more. Now give this all a mix and I'm adding in 2 tablespoon extra water and again mixing it, and the batter seems to be slightly thick, so I'm adding in 1 tablespoon extra water and mixing it to a smooth batter. Once it is nicely mixed, clean up the sides of the cup and add in 1 tablespoon chocolate chips on top. You can mix the chocolate chips into the batter if you prefer, but I'm keeping it on top so that once the cake is done, the cake will have a chocolate sauce-like topping. Mug cakes are baked in a microwave in just 1 minute, but I don't use or own a microwave. So I prefer to make this in a saucepan. Now into a saucepan, I'm adding in some water and then place 2 paper napkins and place the mug, turn on the flame, and once the water starts to boil, cover the saucepan with a lid and reduce the flame to the lowest and let it steam cook for 15 minutes. After 7 minutes, this is how it looks. So after 10 minutes, I'm checking it with a toothpick and the cake is not cooked yet. And I'm also adding in some extra water. And after 15 minutes, the toothpick comes out clean and the cake is ready to serve. Allow it to cool down a little and then remove it from the saucepan. I'm sprinkling in some chopped cashew nuts. You can totally omit it, or you can choose any toppings like maybe a strawberry or a raspberry or even blueberries if you have access to berries. So guys, do try this eggless and oil-free peanut butter mug cake and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.